Spring is here. Joe looks below from a branch. The snow has melted. The grass would grow green. Spring is about to start. Read the story. Highlight the 3 words with the long O sound spelled O-W. Joe is happy that spring is here. He waits all winter to fly home. Joe sits in his straw nest. He sees boats float by the coast. Underline the 3 words with the long O sound spelled O-A. People buy seeds to feed Joe. Kids with chalk write on the street. They splash and squish in the rain. Joe is smiling that spring is here. Highlight the 4 words that begin with a blend or trigraph.